Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am a student from Love Learning Quran, and today I will be showing you how to enter a virtual classroom. First, we log in. In the login template, we write a username and password. Now we press the login button and enter into our Love Learning Quran account. Now once it's loaded, we will find an enter class button over here. So over here it says enter class. Now you can enter the class when it is your class time. If it is not your class time, you cannot enter your virtual classroom. Now we enter our virtual classroom. Now the system will do some checks to see if your camera, your microphone, and your speakers are working properly. So once that's done, you press the next button. Now over here it will check your camera, microphone, and speakers so that you can see if they're working. I've turned the camera off, but when you go to your virtual classroom, your camera should be on. So camera is checked, microphone is checked because you can see the blue lines. That means that your microphone is working, and the speakers check. You test the sound and enter class. You press the enter class button. Now we have entered our virtual classroom. Over here, your teacher will be waiting for you, and you will have some pages of the Quran so that you can either memorize or read. Over here, there are options for mute and the camera. If you want your camera off, you can put it off from this button, and if you want to mute yourself, you can press this button. Now this is how you enter your virtual classroom. Thank you.